Quantum mechanics is not just a fundamental theory in physics, describing the bizarre and tiny constituents of our universe. It's also a fertile ground for the imaginations of countless science fiction writers. When we delve into quantum mechanics, we confront principles that upend our everyday understanding of reality. For instance, imagine particles that exist in multiple states at once, or become so entangled that the state of one particle instantaneously affects another, no matter the distance between them. It's no wonder that these concepts have made their way into some of our favorite sci-fi stories. Let's start by exploring quantum teleportation, a popular sci-fi device. It's the dream of zipping from one place to another instantaneously without traversing the space in between. Films and books make it look as simple as beaming from one starship to another or escaping a villain's lair in the nick of time. But the scientific reality of quantum teleportation is not about zapping people or objects across space, but rather teleporting information using the phenomenon of quantum entanglement. It's a delicate process, currently possible only with particles like photons and ions. Then there's the sci-fi staple of parallel universes. The multiverse theory actually does exist in scientific discourse, suggesting that alongside our universe, there might be an entire array of universes, each with its own laws of physics. In stories like Neal Stephenson's Anathem, the idea is treated with a mix of philosophical and scientific rigor. On the other end of the spectrum, you've got shows like Rick and Morty, which use the multiverse concept for wild, comedic escapades that stretch the imagination. Now, how do scientists feel about their life's work being turned into narrative playthings of the mind? Many physicists appreciate the way science fiction encourages the public to think about complex concepts like quantum mechanics. While the liberties taken with the science can sometimes perpetuate misconceptions, these stories also spark curiosity and can lead to a deeper public understanding of what scientists are trying to unravel about our universe. As quantum technology continues to develop, the line between scientific reality and science fiction might blur even further. The future holds unlimited potential for both quantum mechanics and the stories we can tell about it. Each step forward in understanding brings new possibilities to explore in the stories we create, making the science of the very small an ever-expanding canvas for the human imagination.